Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and in good health. So, children, yesterday I taught you lesson number 10 and that we have finished. Now, today we are doing lesson number 6 and 6 from lesson number 6 to 10 is your second progressive assessment syllabus. Okay, so second progressive assessment syllabus will start from lesson number 6. So today again we are repeating the lesson. Okay, lesson number 6, all of you take out page number 30. Okay, you can see it in your book also, and here I wrote it some point. Okay, you find it easy, and you can see in your book also, plus this also paper. Okay, house I need lesson number 6. We live in a house with our family. What is a house? House, it is a place where we live with our family. And it protects us from sun, rain, wind, animals, cold and thieves. Okay, now let's see the difference between home and house. Home, a house in which we live with our family is our home. If somebody is living in a house, a family is in, that is called a home. But a place is just a building, okay, nobody lives there. That is a house, not a family. Okay, then home. We feel comfortable in our home, of course. Then house. House is a place in which we rest, bath and sleep. Then second point, house is a place where we can keep our things safe. Okay, now come to page number 31. Okay, a house may be big or small. There are rooms. Okay, if you're having a big house, it means you will be having many rooms. And if you're having a small house, you won't be having many, okay, 2-3 rooms, right? So there are different kinds of rooms in a house. Let's see. Number 1, kitchen. 2, drawing room. 4th, bedroom. Then 5th, study room. Then dining room. 7th, guest room, terrace. And number 9, storeroom. Now children, let's come to page number 31, and in the book you can see the picture of these different rooms, and you will also see what to do and where, what we do in this room, how do we use these rooms. Okay, number 1 is kitchen. Kitchen, what we do, we cook food in the kitchen. Then drawing room, what we do, we welcome our guest in the drawing room, so we have to keep our drawing room always clean. Then come to bathroom. This is your bathroom. We take bath in the bathroom. Now come to bedroom. Now another room is bedroom. It's very important because we take rest, we sleep in the bedroom. Then study room. We study in the study room. Study room is also very important for you children because you have to study now. Yes. Now come to dining room. We have food in the dining room, and you can see in the picture dining table is kept with 4 chairs, isn't it? So that when you eat food, your posture should be correct. And okay, now come to guest room. Our guests stay in the guest room. Whenever any guest come to our house, okay, we give them special room to stay, and that room is called guest room. Then we have a terrace. What we do in the terrace? We use our terrace for drying clothes and playing there. Children, they play in the terrace sometimes, but children, you have to be very careful while playing in the terrace. Okay. Then come to storeroom. What we do in the storeroom? We store grains and other extra things there. So any extra thing that we are having in our house inside, okay, we don't have a place, so where we keep them in a storeroom. Okay, so today we will study till here only, children, and we'll do the exercise again, one worksheet for you, and the remaining part of the lesson we're going to continue tomorrow. Okay, now let's come to the worksheet. This is your worksheet. Okay, this question number 1, fill in the blanks. 1, we live in a dash. We live in a house with our family. House, House, house. Number 2, we have dash in the dining room. What do we have? Food. Yes, FOOD, food. Then number 3, we sleep in the dash. Where do we sleep? In our bedroom. BED, bed. ROOM, room, bedroom. Now question number 2. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. We cook food in the kitchen. Is this statement true or false? Yes, it is true. So you will write T in the box. Second, we use storeroom to study. Do we use storeroom to study, children? No, na? Yes, so you will write F here. F means false. Now number 3. A house protects us from sun, wind and rain. Is this statement true? Yes, it is true. So you will write T here. So only one page I have given for your homework. So you have to do it in your EVS copy. Okay, children? Okay, now. So then tomorrow we'll be continuing the same lesson. Okay. So we'll be meeting tomorrow. If tomorrow is 15th of August, Independence Day, and maybe we'll be I'm not sure, children, whether we'll be having classes or not. If not, then we'll be meeting on Monday. Till then, goodbye. Care.